Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 13th of August. Looking at yesterday's markets, we had from New Zealand the RBNZ interest rates announcement. Those rates remained unchanged at 0.25%. The major news to come out of the policy statement was that, in contrast to other central banks globally who are pausing or looking towards pausing their stimulus packages, the RBNZ is actually taking a different approach, and they actually increased stimulus by increasing their asset purchase of bonds, and they're looking at that area of their monetary governing to be able to assist the Kiwi dollar. At the release of this news, initially the Kiwi dollar did drop down, as it would obviously devalue the Kiwi dollar, but it did rebound later to finish up around about the same where it started for the session yesterday. The other news that we had was from the US, where we saw core CPI and the CPI number both come in at 0.6%, both better than the forecast, and overall the US dollar had a stabilizing day, losing a little bit of ground against the majors, but more or less a fairly stable day. That was pretty much from the news front. If we move over to our chart of the day, the first thing is the US CAD trade that we took on Monday has hit target now. We came very, very close on the Tuesday, but overnight it did come back down and hit our target. So well done for those of you who took that particular trade. This morning I am looking at the Kiwi CAD on a daily time scale, and I still need to wait for the current candle to complete. That's this candle right here that I'm pointing at right now. Once this candle completes, and for example, if it should complete the way that it looks right now, that would form an inside candle situation on a support line, and that being the third touch. So if it was to finish exactly the way that I'm showing it to you right now, that would be a setup to take a trade. So let's see what happens tomorrow morning, what this candle looks like. If it is an inside candle, we can place our pending order and basically look towards becoming a buyer on the Kiwi CAD. Okay, so there you have it. Kiwi CAD daily chart is our chart of the day this morning. What's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We have this morning at 11:30 locally, we have our employment change and unemployment rate numbers which are due. That pretty much wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.